Thank you so much, Noob. This has been a blast for me. We've learned a lot. We laughed a lot. We ate a lot. So please, before we get out of here, give us a couple of words of wisdom, please. What you got?
I would say trust the journey even when you can't see where you're going. And listen to your body when it's talking to you. And I feel like if you do those two things, you can't go wrong.
Except when you eat Andes.
Except when you eat what?
Andes.
Oh, that's a brand. Look, your body will talk to you. I already know.
My belt loop went out a little bit, you know what I mean? I lost one. Scott, let them know, Scott, where they can find us at.
Find us right here on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit this like because we did get a lot of great information. And hit that bell for further notifications. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, The Urban Retrospect. Twitter, Retrospect1619. Shoot us an email if you want us to review your product at theurbanretrospect@gmail.com. And catch everything at theurbanretrospect.com. Thank you, three.
Appreciate it. Scott, you know what we say? We say peace, love, and
retrospect.
cue the music.